Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Meredith, and we're with Coastal Business Supplies, and we're going to show you our gradient pillowcase.
Stay tuned. Okay, so in this video today, we are going to be working with our gradient pillowcase. It does have nice fun colors, and it is 15.5 inches by 15.5 inches, so perfect for a 16 by 20 press or even split designs on a smaller press. So let's get started.
Okay, we did our design using Photoshop, and we printed using our F570 roll paper. Here we go. I'm going to go ahead and trim it up a little bit. All right, I'm going to center it on here. And tape it on using our thermal tape.
And you can also use adhesive spray or a tacky paper as well.
Okay, we're ready for pressing.
Perfect. Okay, so I am placing a piece of silicone down on our bottom plat, and you can also use a Teflon sheet. The transfer is going to be on top, so image face down. Okay, and I am hanging the zipper off of the back side of the press, just in case. And we are going to cover again with our silicone, just to protect our bottom and our top platen. We are pressing today at 385 degrees for 60 seconds at a medium pressure. Okay, so we are going to remove immediately as a hot peel. We're going to remove all of our layers, and then make sure you take off in a nice, smooth, consistent motion. Avoid any ghosting. And now you have one personalized pillowcase. Just gonna let that cool just for a second. So always make sure you have thermal gloves on hand just in case. Okay, anything else you want in there, Maradith?
Sure, we did use the sill paper, so it does have a slight tack to it, so it keeps things from shifting and ghosting. And also, if you like our design, be sure to check out our digital marketplace.
And there you go. Also, be sure to check out our product instructions and templates available online at coastalbusiness.com. And we'll see you next time.